What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. Listen, this is your Monday Madness video, and I got a fantastic video for you full of stocks, charts, and news. But right now, I need you to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I need you to come along with us on the journey. Check the description tab out. All the tools and tidbits to make you a more successful trader, and all the Traders War Room products and services right at your fingertips. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me. And let's go to war together, team. All right, welcome back. Legal disclaimer, this is not financial advice. The content is for entertainment and education purposes only. You're responsible for every decision you make. We want you to have fun, use caution, and always go to war. Some services we provide, guys, free and paid services. We got all the real-time buy and sell alerts, live trading, bell-to-bell, one-on-one mentoring, trading classes, fantastic community. Guys, it goes on and on and on. So join TWR today. We want you to quit wasting money that doesn't make money. We want you to invest in yourself in 2022. We hope you do that with Traders War Room. Check out our website right there at the link below. Check out our Discord. These are hyperlinks are in the description tab on the YouTube video. Please check them out today and come get some. Now, all I got to ask you, are you ready for war? I know I am. Check on alerts, analyst buy and sell, and the algo signal bots. Let's see how we did today, and let's get at it. So analyst alerts. So over on the left, we have one of our most senior brokers over here at Traders War Room, Shiner, kills it. And we got one of our newer additions over here on the right, Warrior Alert. So Shiner, first alert, he pushed out today, SPY, as you see right there, $35 profit. Nice day trading push right there. And then you got a second trade right there, $10 profit. Never a bad idea to take some money when it's present. Over here, we got another SPY trade. SPY was the ticker of choice from the analysts today. I'm telling you guys, but we had a $1.05 profit. Guys, you may look at that as, oh, that's not too much, but just imagine a dollar movement in a SPY premium if you're doing options. That is money every day along. So fantastic alerts from two of our fantastic analysts that we have at Traders War Room. Now let's talk about the algo bots. Guys, these are completely amazing products that we created here at Traders War Room. They work on any platform. They work with options and stocks. You can use your phone and computer. It's your choice, and you will only find these on Traders War Room. And guys, we want you to come get some, okay? So we have 3 separate bots, something for everyone. I've told you guys that time and time again. So first of all, we got an intraday alert, we got an SPX alert, and we got NDX alerts. Now, intraday alerts go for day and swing on various tickers. So let's take a look at them real fast. So right here, you got a couple ones that I just picked at random. You got a couple long signals for Visa, Home Depot, and Disney. And of course, right here, it's giving you the stats. Visa alert came in at 194.76. High after alert was 196.27. That's a $1.51 jump. Home Depot, 296.84. High after alert 373. That's a $3.89 jump. Just imagine if you were doing options on it. That's killer profit all day, every day. And over here we got the Disney alert 107.55. High after alert 109.06, and that's a $1.50 jump on that one as well. Definitely the algo bot for the intraday was killing it today. Now let's talk about the SPX and the NDX alerts, okay? Now this looks a little bit different, all right? What this does is it gives you both longs and shorts, and it runs off of the SPX and the NDX. And so we have some specific ideas that we give you on the particular alerts, and we use a trailing stop loss, so it trails. So it does the entrance and an exit, and it gives you the entire thing right there for you on this, a fantastic bot right here. And as you see, the best used was SPY, VU, the Qs, and any of those large cap, high liquid type of stocks like Apple, Facebook, Tesla, Microsoft. And once again, this thing does both longs and shorts, and it uses a trail trade entrance to the exit, cradle to grave type of thing right here. And guys, I'm telling you, this is fire. And if you haven't used this alert and you haven't gone on Traders War Room, you are missing out, because this thing is making people money every day the market is open. So, but those are just a glimpse of what we have, guys. We got 25 real-time analysts pushing alerts. We got all kinds of styles, stocks and options, crypto and forex, long, short, day, swing, spread, leaps, you name it, we have it. Guys, check us out today. Get yourself some. Now, with that said, bottom line, we're destroying the market no matter which direction it goes. And we're going to talk about what happened today, what looks good this week, moving forward. Let's get it right now. So here we go. Week in review. The markets closed today, and we were red across the board. And as you can see, there's a picture image, not much green. Consumer discretionary and some consumer staples were up, so they were doing okay. Inverse ETFs were doing fairly better than some of the other ones. Definitely sector performance. Energy, the biggest lagger, with consumer staples still lagging, but coming in as the winner. And then we got our total premiums, calls versus puts. This is where the big money's going, about 50-50 on that. Stock trending stocks that are going right now. We got AMC, Upstart, whole bunch of some crypto, got some plugs, some PLTR, SoFi coin, the normal trending stocks that you guys are used to. We got our hot penny stocks, guys. The penny stock market is starting to heat up as the blue chip market is kind of staying a little stagnant and doing some sideways movement, if it's not just tanking. So penny market is heating up. You guys need to get yourself some if you're not in already. And the futures, here we go. We're actually looking, pretty green on some of the futures. So it'll be interesting to see how we open at the bell come tomorrow. So down she goes again. SPY in the SQ on the 5-day, 5-minute. Guys, the SPY is another sell-off, and it continued the trend. Now, of course, you see the difference in these charts. The SPY on the downward trend, you got the SQ on the upward trend. Of course, it's an inverse ETF, guys, okay? So anytime you got the SPY coming down, if you're messing around with the inverse ETFs, it's going to do the exact opposite. SPY's running up, the inverse is going to be coming down. I just wanted to make sure you guys are tracking that, because I see a lot of volume coming into the SQs and some of those other inverse ones, and I don't think a lot of people know how to use it properly, because I see a lot of complaints and a lot of comments of going the wrong way. And again, what's it caused by? Well, we could see right here. Again, we got Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, NVDA, all looking very similar to the SPY. You can see it right there on the left. Look at the big cap stocks. That's why. And I want you guys to notice a trend, okay? Anytime these stocks are going to be cranking down, we're going to see that SPY following as well. Now, top news. Okay, here we go. On the left, U.S. profit forecast weak as inflation risks still remain ever present. So we definitely are paying attention to that in the marketplace. If you guys aren't tracking about the inflation rate hikes and the federal minutes that are pushed out, I need you guys to get spun up on that. Check the description tab out. I got a link to some of the, SEC and the federal, websites so that you can get yourself educated on that. Next top story, Tinder and legal battle. And I added one that wasn't a top news story, but I thought it was interesting because it kind of went together. This gay dating app is going to go to IPO. So we got the Tinder owner from Match suing Google in last resort to avoid App Store booting. But at the same time, we got an IPO hitting some business, highlighting Grindr, which is supposed to be, a similar app to like Tinder. So it'll be interesting to see how these correlate. And we got a chart for these as well, because we got some earnings coming up on some of these dating mobile apps. So it'll be interesting to see if we get some volume on these and see if we can trade these for some profit. And next, Musk and Twitter news. It has to do with the EU deal with digital content. So definitely the EU industry chief was talking with Tesla, the boss Elon Musk, on Monday, and the two signaled an agreement of EU digital media regulations ahead of Musk's purchase on Twitter. So he's trying to get all the legal stuff in order so he can remain operational in all the areas that are high volume for Twitter. So now, enough with that news, guys. Let's talk about some stocks and some chart. What looks good moving forward? So obviously, we got our earnings. We thank Earnings Whisper for the most anticipated earnings release. You guys already know just from the last video, anything in green is something I got my eye on. Not necessarily looking at it full-fledged, but it's something that has interested me as I'm going along different stocks, seeing what's hot and what's not. So here we go. Talking about AMC trending again, okay? And definitely when you look at the falling wedge that we got, we could see a reversal on volume, and it's popular enough that you can see dramatic spikes. But I want you guys to expect a dump because these meme stocks are not as hot as they used to be. On the bottom right, we got Disney. So Disney, how low can she go? Thinking we are at the bottom, expecting some volume. That's what I'm expecting. I got another chart where I'm going to compare it here in a bit to Six Flags, who has earnings coming up as well. But definitely, I'm expecting a little bit of volume coming into Disney. BYND and Tattoo Chef. So BYND, maybe we found a bottom from the dump, but I want to watch right now because it looks as though on the daily we're doing some share consolidation. And also, this is a good opportunity for this particular stock to start nibbling away at a position long with shares, in my opinion. Tattooed Chef is also consolidating in a range on the day potential, but still speculative. So big money may not be biting into this particular stock at this time. So we're definitely paying attention to it moving forward. Bumble and Match, those were those dating apps. So Match already had earnings, I believe, but Bumble has earnings coming up, and we're at a falling wedge and could see a breakout if earnings are solid. Also, if we get some decent movement with Bumble, we may see that tip over into Match. And of course, we know that Match has some, some trending news right now, so we could see some volume. It looks as though that it's found a bottom. We could see a push up from the bottom as well. Rocket and SoFi. So Rocket looks like it's consolidating, could see a jump on earnings. This thing's very popular. It likes to run into earnings, not necessarily through earnings, but we could, again, everything we're talking about is like it could be at the bottom, but we know that, everything could be at the bottom, and sometimes it continues to go low. So we got to play these very smart and watch them very, very cautiously, but it definitely could see the volume on the earnings, and you could see a nice jump. Now over here at SoFi, if earnings are good, this will take off, and that's a fact, guys. If we get solid earnings and solid guidance, SoFi is going to take off, man. This thing has been beat up, and it may not take off right away, maybe a couple days, it might even be a week, but this thing on some solid news and guidance from earnings, this thing will take off like a rocket ship, guys. So pay attention and watch SoFi. Keep that on your radar. All right, this is what I was talking about with the Disney, right? Disney and Six Flags. So again, Disney, it's beat up. I'm betting that jump to the upside, moving towards earning, however, being cautious as this can easily move down from the levels it's at. We've seen this just continue to fall, so we're being very cautious. But Six Flags, I'm a little less optimistic with Six Flags. I could see some potential from reopening, but at this point, I just don't see the push for Six Flags as much, because I don't see them having any other revenue streams other than, some parks and some things like that. So I'll be interested to pay attention to their earnings call and see what they have to offer. Now, that's it for the stocks, guys. Upcoming things that we got going on at Traders War Room. We're going to talk about some upcoming classes, promotions, and new innovations. So again, we want you to check us out at the website. And if you're not a member of the Discord, please spin yourself up on their free and paid services. So it does nothing to come over there and be a free member and start engaging with us in the community. Now, first talking about our first class coming up in May. So we got a supply and demand zone class, guys, on 21 May at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, $15. Try to beat that price for professional traders, giving you a fantastic hour to an hour and a half long class. Guys, you're not going to beat it anywhere. And you guys, guess what? You pay for the class, you get the recording. So you don't even need to make the live session. If you can't make it live, we got you covered. You pay the class, you register, I got your email, you'll receive the recording as soon as it's done and we get it edited up. But we're going to talk about identifying supply and demand trading zones, enter and exit trades for consistent profits, trade zones using various methods. Guys, if you want to purchase this class, you go to that link right there. You can find it on traderswarroom.com/upcoming classes. And if you got any questions or any issues getting the class, hit us up at traderswarroom@gmail.com and we will get you squared away. Next, we got our upcoming promotion. So right now, Traders War Room is offering you premium gold on Discord, guys. 5-day trial of premium gold with the Discord. So you have to be a member, a free member of the Discord. You come over there, you upgrade, you get a 5-day trial for the gold membership. Guys, a fantastic deal right here. You can't beat it, especially in this market. You get all the real-time buy and sell alerts from the analysts. You get access to the research and development center. You also get access to professional traders that you can talk and conversate along with the community, guys. So definitely hit that Discord up link right there. Come over there and get you some and try us out for 5 days on us. Next, innovations, guys. We got our instant messaging platform. It is coming out. You guys asked for less noise and just alerts. We got you covered, guys. Starting 15 May, you're going to see posts and marketing for this all over everywhere. We're going to have our instant messaging platform. So check the website often and look for the unveiling notice. We guys got you covered. If Discord is a little bit too noisy or some of the other platforms that you're on are just a little bit too much and you're feeling overwhelmed, this may be the solution to your issues, guys. So come check us out and definitely we got you guys covered. Now, that's it. We want you to invest in yourself for 2022. We want you to do it with Traders War Room. We want you to quit wasting money that doesn't make money. We want you to check out our website. We want you to check out our Discord. And guys, as always, if you're ready for war, we are as well. Join Traders War Room today and scan these QR codes for quick, easy access to our Discord and our website. Right there, you got it. And with that said, remember, we look at the stock market like a war zone. Stocks and sectors are our battles. We do it together as a team. Attack, conquer, and destroy, and we're always going to war. So from Traders War Room staff and our official battle buddy, Rocket, right there, the bull in the picture, we want to say to you, if you're ready, follow me, and let's go to war together. Later, y'all.